Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering what you need and taking a quick backup. This protects apps and settings. Connect the X96Q power and ensure the supply is stable, because interruptions can brick the box. Next, download the exact firmware for your X96Q model and check the checksum to confirm integrity. Make sure you have a Windows PC with the flashing tool and a good USB cable, and prepare a spare flash drive or SD card so you can move files quickly. Once done, install the USB driver and launch the flashing tool as administrator so the PC recognizes the box. You load the firmware image into the tool, confirm the partition layout if prompted, and select the correct device path. Then, put the X96Q into recovery or USB upgrade mode. Hold the reset pin while connecting USB, or follow the specific button sequence, so the tool detects the device. Start the right operation and watch progress. Do not disconnect power during flashing, because partial writes cause failure. When flashing finishes, reboot the X96Q and be patient. The first boot can take several minutes while it configures partitions. Verify network, HDMI output and settings, then restore your backup. If the box enters a boot loop or fails, retry the process. Re-enter recovery, reflash with the same image, or try an alternate image for your exact model. Make sure you capture tool logs or serial output. These clues help diagnose permission, partition, or checksum problems so you can recover the device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.